Good morning, everyone. Today I am talking retinol, and I have 5 amazing options here to share with you, especially if you're looking for something new to incorporate in your nighttime routine. Maybe you're a beginner, maybe you're looking for something specific, like a specific textured retinol. I truly have it all in this video. So I have a gel option, a serum, a cream. I also have a retinol product that comes in a disposable treatment pad, and I love these for different reasons, and I love incorporating them in my own personal skincare routine. So I love using these, especially on my neck and my chest, the tops of my hands. Sometimes I will use them on my elbows and my knees. But if I feel like taking a break from prescription tretinoin, because sometimes I do like to do that, then I will incorporate one of these in my nightly routine instead of tretinoin, and they always perform really well, especially for texture, tone, improving that brightness, and also addressing signs of aging. So all of these products will be linked below for you for your reference, including discount codes and related videos. Please don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell, as I would love to have you all here long term. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up as well, as it really does help to support my channel. All right, so the first retinol product is something that you can dispose. It's a treatment pad that you use just once, and this is the Dr. Dennis Gross Advanced Retinol Plus Ferulic Perfectly Dosed Retinol Extra Strength 0.5% Pure Retinol. They also have a 0.2% one that isn't as strong and as powerful as this. So if you're a beginner or you want something that isn't as strong, maybe go with the 0.2 and then work your way up to this later on. Now this is fairly new, and it does come in a box like this. There are 8 treatments in a box. So they do recommend to use this 1 to 2 nights per week, increasing to 3 nights per week. But I don't use this every week. I might only use this maybe once or twice a month, just for something different, because the first time that you use this, you do see that instant brightness. If you had any dry flakiness, honestly, I feel like that's completely gone. It improves texture, it helps with skin tone if you have that unevenness, and then of course signs of aging. So obviously the more consistent you are with this, the better off, but it is a product that you do see instant results in terms of brightness, and I just absolutely love this for the face, the neck and the chest, the tops of the hands, and my elbows and my knees. So I treat multiple areas when I'm using this. Now this is very saturated with product, and it's also very concentrated as well. So yes, we have the 0.5% retinol. There is bakuchiol, which is a plant-based alternative to retinol, so it does very similar things to what retinol does, but it's not as irritating and as harsh. There's ferulic acid in here, which is an antioxidant, rambutan, which is great for signs of aging. I feel like rambutan, ferulic acid, and bakuchiol are 3 ingredients that Dr. Dennis Gross tends to put in a lot of their products, and I just love these 3 ingredients for signs of aging. But there's also squalene in here, hyaluronic acid, there's witch hazel, Centella asiatica, and the list goes on. So yes, this is quite powerful, but there are ingredients in here to help calm and soothe the skin, but also to keep the skin hydrated at the same time. So the idea with this is that you want to use this in your nighttime routine and use it after you've cleansed your skin. So you're going to make a pass over your face, your neck, and your chest, and you want to do that 2 to 3 times. You want to cover and saturate your skin. Whatever's left on the pad, bring it down your elbows, bring it down to your knees or your legs, whatever you want to do. Use up the product, because again, this is very saturated, and you will see how wet it is when you pull it out of the package. So make 2 to 3 sweeps across the skin, and then maybe let it dry down a little bit. Then go in with your regular routine, whether that's a facial mist, a toner, a serum, your moisturizer, and the way you go. And of course, you would want to use this 1 to 2 nights per week. If you just want to use this a couple of times a month, you can do that as well. Just know that there's only 8 in a box. So if you were to use this, more than 3 nights per week, you're gonna go through this box super quickly. So I would say maybe just use this when you feel like you want that boost with your skin, especially if you use the 0.5%. And that's why I only use this maybe once or twice a month, because when I use it, I do feel like it gives my skin that boost and I get that instant brightness. It really helps to improve texture and tone, and then obviously with consistency, it can really help to soften fine lines and wrinkles. So I really love this. It is fragrance free, and I love this concept idea. So if you love the disposable treatment pads, then you might possibly like this. And this is great for travel as well, especially if you don't want to bring your full-size retinols with you on a long weekend, or let's say you're going away on holiday for a week, maybe just bring a couple of these and you're golden. The next product is by Maelove. This is the Moonlight Retinal Super Serum. This contains a 0.11% retinaldehyde. As you know, there is retinol, then there's retinaldehyde, and then retinoic acid being your prescription tretinoin. So retinaldehyde is in between the two. So if you've always been someone that has used a retinol and you feel like moving up in the retinol world, then perhaps you might want to look into this or just a retinaldehyde. Now this formulation is very hydrating, and this is your true serum texture. So this has a little bit of a milkiness to it, which I really like because it has that nice spreadability and it just feels so hydrating on the skin. It does give your skin a little glow, which is really nice, but it is very hydrating. So we have that 0.11% retinaldehyde. There is niacinamide in here, Centella asiatica, there's squalene, hyaluronic acid, green tea, and the list goes on. So there's a lot of other great anti-aging ingredients in here, but also ingredients to keep the skin nice and comfortable and hydrated. There are ceramides in here as well to strengthen and repair that barrier, which I think is really important in a product like this. And this can be used multiple times a week. So if you're new, maybe start with 1 or 2 nights per week, gradually increase, but you can use this every single night once you get there. And the more consistent you can be, obviously, the better off. And when you're using a retinol or a retinaldehyde, it is best not to pair these up with other actives like a glycolic acid, a lactic acid, another type of retinol, maybe, vitamin C. It's best to keep this as that main product just so that you don't develop more irritation and dryness, because that is possible when you're using a retinaldehyde or even a retinol for that matter. So maybe just pair up hydrating things with this, a really good moisturizer, maybe a hydrating serum. And if you're someone that uses essences and toners, then use those before this. But I love this a lot, and I think it's a really nice one, especially if you want to enter the retinaldehyde world. The next product is by The Ordinary. This is the Retinal 0.2% emulsion. So this is your retinaldehyde. And this is really nice because it has an emulsion style format. So this is basically a hybrid between a serum and a cream. So it has a little bit of that thickness to it, thicker than the Maelove serum, but it has that spreadability like a serum. It truly does spread really nicely, and it's also very hydrating on the skin as well. Now, this ingredient list isn't crazy, so I don't want to say that this formulation is basic, because it's not. It is very effective, but if you're looking for that limited ingredient list and you're looking for something that doesn't have all of these extra anti-aging ingredients like bakuchiol, niacinamide, and so on, then this would be a great one to look into. It is really straightforward, and I see great results with this one also, where my skin is super soft and smooth. It really does help to firm as well. Love this for my neck and my chest and the tops of my hands. And I do like to occasionally use this on my face as well, and it's also really affordable. Next is the Cocokind Advanced Retinol Gel at a 0.5%. Now, this isn't your true clear jelly type of consistency. This actually reminds me a lot of The Ordinary emulsion and prescription tretinoin. So it does have that thicker serum, but again, it has that nice spreadability. And this formula is also very moisturizing at the same time. You really don't need to put a moisturizer on top of this if you don't want to, but if you choose to, your skin is going to feel so amazing. Now, this has a tri-retinoid complex. So this contains a 0.25% retinol a 0.125% encapsulated retinaldehyde, and a 0.125% gram active retinoid. So great for signs of aging, for firming, and to address texture and tone. This also contains aloe, Centella asiatica, and squalene. So these are great ingredients to prevent transepidermal water loss, to reduce on redness, keeping the skin barrier nice and comfortable. You could definitely experience dryness and irritation with this formulation here, especially if you're new and you're not really accustomed to vitamin A. For me personally, I feel like this formula is quite gentle. I do use this a lot on my neck and my chest, the backs of my hands, but sometimes I will use this on my face also. And all you need is a pea-sized amount. With this one, you are getting 30 mils of product. It is fragrance free and it's a great drugstore option. And the last product is by Dr. Dennis Gross, and this is the Advanced Retinol Plus Ferulic Intense Wrinkle Cream. So if you're looking for that true rich retinol cream that is satisfying to use, then you are going to love this. This is a great beginner product for someone who is just starting off with the retinol because it is just so moisturizing. It contains shea butter, it has squalene, hyaluronic acid, it also contains ceramides, there is ferulic acid in here, rambutan for skin elasticity, bakuchiol, that plant-based alternative to retinol, and the list goes on. This is very satisfying to use and your skin just feels incredible when you use it. I love this especially for my neck and my chest and the tops of my hands, but I am going to use this a lot come the winter months because sometimes even just using tretinoin in the winter, my skin can be more flaky and dry. So sometimes I take more breaks with tretinoin during the winter months. This would be a great alternative to use a few nights per week just to keep the skin nice and comfortable and moisturized. And this has performed really well even now on my neck and my chest. It really keeps everything smooth, soft, and bright, and it can firm as well. So this does contain fragrance. It smells fresh. There's a little bit of a citrusy scent to it, very nice and mild. If that's not your thing, just keep that in mind, but you are getting 60 mils of product, and this really is super impressive. So those are the 5 retinols that I can't recommend enough at this time. I love how they all contain different formulations and different consistencies, and I hope that I was able to introduce you to something new today. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask away in that comment section. Let me know if you've tried any of these retinols before. What is your go-to retinol or retinaldehyde? Let's get a conversation going. And again, everything that I shared today will be linked below for you for your reference. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And of course, I will see you all in the next video. Take care, and I will see you all then. Bye, guys.